there's one time in 2018 or 2017 tí bá rántí time yẹn ó dà pé on the 31st of December ẹni sùn
lọ́wọ́ yín ni kẹ́ dáhùn náà.
ẹyẹ kí n mú pọ́ìntì jáde fún yín náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ bèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi. On the 31st tẹ́ bá rántí dára maybe it's 2017 or 2018 tí everybody pa happy new year ní Taiwo Òkè tẹ́ bá rántí or Taiwo Sàlẹ̀ I don't remember there's one church there then tó yẹ pé àwọn Muslim a lot of people they come out all dem know àwọn Christian people àwọn obìnrin all dem know wọn pẹ̀lú ẹgbàá wọn lé wọn wọnú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì wọn bá àkọjẹ ẹjọ ṣé ẹ sọ fún mi ṣé religion is it religion of space or what ṣé ó fún everybody ní free láti ṣe nǹkan tó bá wù ẹ sọ fún mi.
ẹ ṣe Ọlámilékan question tí mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ẹ dá mi lóhùn.
Ok mo gbọ́.
Mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín wípé ẹ sọ pé fẹ́ dá mi lóhùn mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín pé ẹ padà nígbà tí wọ́n sọ pé kẹ́ máa practice culture àbí tradition yín mọ̀ tẹ́ máa ṣe nígbà tí a fẹ́ yàwó yẹn mo sọ pé ṣé wọ́n pé àfa o Ànábì wa Muhammad sallam ló sọ pé ká máa practice culture wa àti tradition wa mọ̀ àbí wọ́n mú wá láti inú Quran àbí wọ́n wá stop ẹ pé Islam ò fàyè gbà.
That is exactly the question. Ṣé nǹkan tó ṣe rárá ni kò sí for anybody chance láti ṣe.
According to what you said Ọlámilékan máa yọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ̀sán bóyá slip of tongue ni Ọlámilékan
ẹ lè léyàn nílọrin kẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́
ẹni sùúrù
ìyá ọ̀ṣun nílọrin ọjọ́ ilé ẹ̀ àbí wọn ọjọ́ ilé ẹ̀
Ọlámilékan kí ni tá à ń sọ ìgbà yẹn ká.
the question tí mo reply padà is still the same thing because they don't give everybody chance to do what they want. Everybody chance now. Okay ṣé ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ̀ fáwọn èèyàn chance báwo lè yọkọ pé máa ṣe jáde tó máa lóun fẹ́ ṣe ṣẹ́ ẹ̀ nípa ni you kill him now ṣẹ́ ẹ̀ nípa ẹni ẹni.
mo ti gbọ́ the question mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ṣe ẹ̀ ti down but I will help you.
ẹ ń gbé mi lọ sí Saudi level ni ẹ gbé mi síbi Yorùbá èdè lájọ ń sọ èdè kọ́ lájọ ń sọ ẹ̀yin náà fọpọlọ ro àṣeyàn tó ní sẹ́ẹ̀sì.
ọpọlọ mo fi rò Islam
tàǹtẹ̀. fọpọlọ ro you are taking me ó ṣe jẹ́ pé bá ti tẹ́ sọ bishop ẹ máa ní láti wọnú Quran àtàdít ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ yìí ó wọ ọpọlọ pé ọ̀rọ̀ lájọ ń sọ àgẹ́gẹ́ bí àjọ gbé jẹ̀ra wa ibi dẹ́ ń gbé mi lọ ọ̀tọ̀ níbi dẹ́ ń gbé mi lọ kí ló pẹ̀ mi àtànọ́bì what's my business with ànọ́bì.
okay bó ti gbọ́
àjọ sọ̀rọ̀ èmi sọ̀rọ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ mi if you want to divide it that you see it or you don't see it.
mo ti gbọ́.
ẹ̀rẹ́ tẹ́kí lọ sí Muhammed level kí ló pè mí àti Muhammed èmi sọ̀rọ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní
Muhammed.
You don't need to say anything.
Ọláìdé ẹ má interject. Ọláìdé ẹ má interject.
ẹ bá fẹ́ sọ ẹ sọ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá bá ṣe wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá yìí ká sọ ọkọ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ká lè sọ ọkọ tẹ gbé wá ká sọ
ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá dọ̀bọ̀. ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lọ rẹ̀ sọ ẹ mention àkọ́kọ́ yẹn dábìlì first question mi àwọn àfáà tó wọ́n máa sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn àfáà tó wọ́n fún yín ní àwọn àdúrà pé débi pápá yíyẹ ṣẹ́rí àfáà tí ò bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ àfáà tí ò bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ bí apákù ẹgbọ́n tí kò kọjá gẹ́gẹ́ tí ò bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ tó bá ti kọjá bí kúrò ní Islam nìyẹn àfáà tí ò bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ àbí máa
ṣé ṣífù máàmù Ọ̀fà kò mọ̀ ọkọ tó ń sọ àbí ṣé ṣífù máàmù kéré lójú yín.
Nobody is snoring jare abeg leave me alone.
ẹjọ Faruqy ṣé ṣífù máàmù kéré ẹ lọ wọ àwọn dísìlẹ̀ tó ṣe náà.
Chief Imam
Ọ̀fà aṣọ kéré ni ẹ lọ wà fídíò tó ṣe rí tó bá yẹ pé mo ní fóònù méjì sí mo lè fi wọ̀nyí ní live báyìí fóònù mi ò sí pẹ̀lú mi báyìí.
Ọlámilékan
ẹ̀rọ tí sọ máa ń sọ lọ́wọ́ online àwọn àfáà tó lóko ẹ̀ lò
Ọlámilékan mo ń gbọ́ pé àwọn àfáà sọ bẹ́ẹ̀
mo gbọ́mọ̀ ṣọ yìí náà same as that tó sọ pé ká máa fi kọ́ máa ṣọ́ra pé tó bá ń nà yín iṣẹ́ tó máa ń sàsí tó máa ń pe kúlà àlà kìíní kọ̀ọ̀kan ní ṣe dey play wọ́n gbá ẹ̀ pé kò ṣiṣẹ́
mo ní bàbú lọ́kùnrin
bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà yí àfọ àbẹ́ṣe wà yìí ó sọ fún mi pé máa ń nìkan lára àbẹ́ṣe wà yìí èèyàn lè ṣàdédé sàṣẹ ó ṣe kò láì wọ́n lè jọ yín ẹ bá lè máa pa ó sọ wa ní ìwọ́n náà bàbá bí ìbẹ́dà àwọn láyé ìgbà ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀kọ́ gbá lọ́wọ́ wọn ẹ̀ka lọ́wọ́ wọn ni nà ọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn tó bá ní sẹ̀sọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ understand ẹ̀ka gbogbo agbára lọ́wọ́ wọn ni ẹ̀kọ́ fún mi lọ́sẹ̀ mi gan ẹ̀kọ́ lè tèmi máa ṣe mẹ́ni àbá ìgbé máa ṣe ẹ̀kọ́ fún èmi mọ̀ ọkọ tí mo rí náà ẹ̀kọ́ take everybody as slave ni everybody is already
slave èèyàn
tó bá ní sense tó máa understand
light upon light ọ̀hún ló lo time tán o
lo time yìí ṣe I don't give information ni.
Light upon light, I think I'm the next too. Ó dà pé mi ló kàn.
Ẹ̀rẹ̀ ń ṣá láti máa cover ẹ̀bí.
Light upon light, èmi ló kàn, èmi ló kàn.
Kí ọ máa la ẹ̀ta lọ́wọ́ lọ́rùn, wọ́n ṣe ògùn jù kọ́ mi lọ.
I'm not interjecting you. You know what?
Ọlámilékan.
Ẹ jọ ṣó ti tọ́ ṣé mo lè bọ́lẹ̀ àbí kì í ṣì wà pẹ̀lú wọn ni.
Wait, hold on. You have 3 minutes to make your. Wait, you have 3 minutes to make your final submission.
Okay.
Without interjection. Ọlámilékan, go ahead.
So pẹ̀lú kan tẹ́mi sọ yẹn tó bá lọ wò lọ́rin dáadáa lọ confam tẹ́ bá rí púpọ̀ náà àfáà tẹ́ bá rí wọn tẹ́ bá wà ẹ máa rí gbẹ́gàn púpọ̀ làwọn àwọn àfáà tẹ́ ń wo gbogbo scope ni everybody they are doing on dẹ́ṣẹ̀ ju ìwọ́gọ́ tó péré ní mùsùlùmí tó yẹ kó o mọ kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ lọ on dẹ́ṣẹ̀ ju ẹ lọ ẹ má yẹ kó máa pa ọ fún yín you people need to be wise up ẹni láti wise up ẹni láti ọlá pé mo kàwé dáadáa ni o ọlápọ̀ ti fi Arabic sọ̀rọ̀ bí wọ́n ti fi gbẹ̀ lot of things lọ́wọ́ mi tó bá gbogbo táàmù àtọ́ ní kí n lọ sí school tí mo parí secondary school nílọrin gbà tó bá pé gbà èmi náà bá lọ pọ̀lọ́ yìí tí mo ní mo fẹ́ ka kí mo fẹ́ ṣe kíní kan tí bá mọ̀ I will not go I will just forward my life but wọ́n ti fi kí wọ́n ti fi gbẹ̀ everybody wọ́n understand because you cannot know the meaning tí ó bá ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ fún everything TikTok tí gbogbo ẹ ti wọ̀ online sìn everybody ti lè wo Google kó sáré ṣẹ́ẹ̀kì kan òun lè àṣírí tú even we will not know ti 20 years 100 years àní mú àṣọ máa ṣẹ́wù lọ ni àwọn èèyàn kan understand ni mi ò mọ why púpọ̀ ìtọ́pọ̀lọ àwọn èèyàn kan kú bá yẹn èèyàn ọpọlọ everything tó bá gbẹ́ni ó ṣe wá jẹ́ pé èèyàn tó kàwé nìkan ló gbọ́dọ̀ máa ní sense àwọn àtàkàwé gbọ́dọ̀ ká máa ní sense because ọ̀rọ̀ ni English tó fẹ́ gbé wá fún ọ̀rọ̀ náà ni Arabic tó fẹ́ gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ni you need to translate it for people to understand èwo ni kẹ́ máa try láti máa twist ọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́ máa pẹ́ tó bá fẹ́ wá dis wá pọ̀ kan jáde náà dis tó bá ti wá nínú Quran kò papọ̀ báyìí lẹ́kìn máa sọ̀rọ̀ báyẹn ọ̀rọ̀ kọ́ ni ṣe fẹ́ máa tú ni ṣé ti máa sọ pé àyè òkè ṣé ní Yorùbá mú mọ́ pé ṣàrẹ̀ yá ni àbí ṣàrẹ̀ òjá ni ẹ understand you now try to twist the word like o máa fẹ́ sọ pé kò tamọ́ra wọn like I don't understand ṣọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yàtọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ni tí Portuguese bá sọ̀rọ̀ báwo ló yẹ ń gbọ́wọ́ tí English sọ.
you
need to understand all this people don't understand that báwo ni màá máa ṣẹ́wú lè máa ṣẹ́wú lọ náà dáàdì tèmi ń sìn ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀tí kò ó yá nísìn kò kírun mọ́ bọ̀ ó believe Islam nísìn báyìí tí o sì kọ́ tó fẹ́ sọ fún gbogbo kó wúyọ ṣe kò ní wẹ̀ ó ní àwọn sọ pé ẹ ṣe sàárà kò ní ṣe ó believe kó ìjòkó wá kó yá kó kàn kékulà àlà ọ̀yà àtàkùn kò dẹ̀ sí kan tí ò gbọ́ olùkọ́ àbọ̀ kò lè tú kò sí kan tí ò lè kanu Quran kẹsàn-án fún dáàdì tó bá ń ka ẹ̀kọ́ fún yín báyìí ṣe máa fọ́ ni bọ̀ kò lè mọ̀ túmọ̀ ẹ̀. Why are they taking our slave? It's not okay now and they know this people they know because wọn àti ìjà àti mú wọn ni ọ̀bẹ kẹ́nìbọ̀dì gbà mọ́ ọ lọ́wọ́ tẹ́mi bá bímọ sí wàá sọ fún mi pé tó bá pàfà sí ìkíni irọ́ màá gbọ́mọ mi ni màá pe àwọn tó ó bẹ̀ ní kí n pe babaláwo kó bá mi ṣe kó mọ ọmọ mi gan ní pé kí n gba àwọn afáàlọ́ because kò sálùbọ̀ ẹ̀ka tó fẹ́ jọ ń bẹ̀ tó bá gbé àwọn èèyàn gan àwọn tradition àwọn lò tó fi ṣe kó gbọgbọ fún mi gan ó yẹ kí n ti ra mọ́tò gidi nìkan gidi nínú ayé these people are just trying to take us away from our roots ká má gbà fún wọn everybody tó bá ti bímọ má gbọmọ ẹ sínú Islam agbọmọ ìsúnú Islam rárá ọmọ tó ya ìpátá yàtọ̀ sí ọmọ tó bá ya ìpátá tó yẹ tó ti ya ọ̀nà lè ó lè lọ́ka ẹ bá mú lọ sílé kí o kọ́kọ́ kọ́ nímọ̀ kọ́kọ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kó jẹgba kó ṣe kọ́ bọ̀ tó bá yẹ kó bẹ́ẹ̀ fi mímọ̀ kó lè fi ṣe kọ́ gidi yóò wá padà máa tọwọ́ jẹ ní. tábò bá ṣe ọṣẹ táwọn afáà ṣe é sìn òun ló ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́ ọṣẹ tó ń ṣe táwọn ọmọ yahoo ló ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀ ní kankan lọ́wọ́ ọ̀ níṣẹ́ gidi kò sẹ́ni tó lóko tó ń dá kò sẹ́ni kankan tó ní kankan.
Thank you, Al-Faruqi. You have 3 minutes for your final submission. Thank you.
Wallahi, me blame Olamileko. Wallahi. Please don't interject me now.
Olamileko, don't interject.
What do you go?
I cannot blame you. Wallahi, I cannot blame you 100. And wallahi, it's painful. So, but I want to say something. Okay. And so we pay Islam kílíkọ Islam kọ́ ló sọ pé wọn ẹgbẹ́ tó ẹ bá ti ṣe Islam ẹ máa ro oúnjẹ jẹ ẹ bá ti kakura náà máa.
Okay ṣé ìwà okay ẹjọ mo fẹ́ bèrè kọ́ ṣe níṣẹ́ tẹ̀ ṣe.
Olamileko wait.
Okay máa wọ máa bèrè máa wọ ní olófà.
You cannot interject him please you cannot interject him let him land or else I will keep restarting his time. Yeah. All right Al-Faruqi go ahead.
tó bá ti ṣe kílíkọ Ọlọ́run máa pèsè bẹ́ẹ̀ jókòó síbẹ̀ ibi apá fò ìyàgbẹ́ ti ṣe lára àwọn afọ́tọ̀ pé scum lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn yẹn gánwà kan tó fẹ́ jẹ ni kì í ṣàlàyé kan pé ojú ti là yàtọ̀ sí pé ojú ti là before gan Ànábì ò sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ fún wa if we want to do anything in Islam we go back to our source the Quran and the Hadith ṣé Quran ló sọ fún wa pé tó bá ti pe Allah tó bá ti pe ya Allah kò jókòó sílé kó má máa ṣe kọ́ Yorùbá gan sọ pé tó bá ti pe ya Allah kó máa fọ ayáyá sí ẹ̀ so o kò lè make supplication bí kọ́nọ́mbà ìfàlùbáríkà ṣe ó tán so you have to work you have to do everything so and kò sí pé òun ka sóra kan pé òun máa ṣe pé kíní kan ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tó wà ní Quran àdúrà ni who told you that so it is a force maybe ọwọ́ àwọn àfàfẹ́ kàfà lẹ́bọ̀ sí and tábà sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ká wò Olamileko tún tábà sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ká wò ẹ̀ lè mọ́ kí ó tó mi and I'm telling you this ẹ̀ lè mọ́ kí ó tó mi mo fi Ọlọ́run búra but kò dẹ̀ sáṣìírí kan tó wà ní Islam tó yẹ kíyàn mọ̀ tí mi ò mọ̀ I'm saying it kò sáṣìírí kan ní Islam tó yẹ kíyàn mọ̀ tí mi ò mọ̀ so kò sínú Islam tó sọ pé tó bá ti ń ṣàdúrà àbí tó bá ti lọ gbẹ Islam kò fọ́ sí kó máa sí gbẹ́dẹ̀ àbí kó máa sí everything àbí kó máa ṣọṣẹ́ àbí kó máa that's rubbish in Islam so and gbé kẹ́ máa pe àfa wá sí ibi ìkómọ yín yẹn tó bá wọn yẹn pe fa tó bá wọn yẹn máa pe àfa kí ṣáà ti ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ right ní tẹ́ bá jẹ́ pé ẹran ti tán because Islam sọ nìyẹn ó bá pe àfa ó bá máa pe àfa ìwọ lómi so iṣẹ́ àfa kọ́ nìyẹn ṣé ti yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ so I'm telling you nìyẹn kọ́tà ń pè ní Islam nìyẹn so and I want to say something too ẹ máa wò pé Islam kíní kan ẹ máa kí ẹ máa ní ṣe anything ṣe rí ní Islam máa sọ fún ibi tèmi wà yìí where I'm working I'm a teacher ṣe ń gbọ́ I'm a teacher so that's why ibi tí mo ti ṣiṣẹ́ mi báyìí wọ́n ṣe tahfiz wọ́n ha Quran wọ́n ṣe Arabiya wọ́n dẹ̀ ń ṣe school tẹ́ bá gbọ́ yẹn tán sọ yẹn ma is almost 1 million 10 million almost 1 million. Western education is there, school is there. So what are you now saying? Whatever Gbolẹ to about ọmọ yẹn tí bá pè mọ́ kó wá sí kó wá máa sọ lọ́ba fún mi, á máa sọ wọ́n mọ kí wọ́n mọ̀ wí, wọ́n mọ everything, wọ́n kọ́ṣẹ́. So don't say that Islam sọ pé ká máa kọ́ṣẹ́, àwọn tó tún gbọ́ Islam yé nìyẹn, ṣé ti gbọ́? So that's it. I'm not gbogbo kan tẹ sọ látọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ mi ò lè máa àwọn claim ẹ̀kọ́ mi claim so iye ò ní ṣe pẹ̀lú Islam pé Islam sọ pé tó bá ti ṣe Islam má ṣiṣẹ́ àbí kò má ṣe ilé láì. So tí bá yẹ pé kí ni ṣé àwọn Saudi náà yẹ kó jókòó ti Quran kò yẹ kó máa ṣiṣẹ́ náà kò yẹ kó máa sọ pé àwọn jẹ engineering kò yẹ kó máa jẹ doctor tí àwọn bá ti lóyún kó máa káyà Quran kó máa jábọ́ lókun. ẹ wo àwọn claim tẹ̀mí kò bá là kan.
Thank you very much. Olamileko, you still have something to say, right?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to give you 1 minute to round up what you are going to say. Normally, I don't give people that, but I really enjoyed your submission, so I'm going to give you 1 minute. Thank you.
Mr. Alfa, gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan ẹ sọ fún mi wípé àwọn àfáà tó bá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ jọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìmọ̀ yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí àfáà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tó bá júyàn lọ nínú ẹ̀sìn tó jẹ́ àzìnà ọba wọn àti ọba tèkì ṣé chief imam of Offa tó kéré láti sọ wọ́rọ̀ báyẹn fún yàn mo fẹ́ ẹ ṣáà láti ọmú kọ́kọ́ reply mi náà ṣókè láti sọ̀kọ́ báyẹn fún yàn pé kí ọkọ̀ àti ẹ̀rọ pàfàlẹ̀ yìí náà àti máa tó tún ẹ sọ fún mi. Any
fucking person kó sọ pé òun jọ ọmọ ànábì kò ní sẹ́yìn nínú Islam.
Ó yá ẹjọ́ ọmọ ìlú wo ni ẹjọ́ máa bínú ọmọ ìlú wo ni ẹjọ́ Faruqy ẹ dáhùn àkí táìmù tó pé ọmọ ìlú wo ni.
Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí.
Ọmọ ìlú wo ni yín state which state are you from.
Mo ti sọ pé ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí.
Báwo ni màá kọ́ ọmọ Yorùbá yẹn ìgbà tí wọ́n dá ọmọ Yorùbá lẹ̀kọ́ mo ní pọ̀ ọmọ Ìlọrin ni mí what state are you from. You are trying to cover yourself up.
Ọmọ Ògùn state ni ọmọ Ẹ̀gbá.
Ọmọ tó sọ ẹ kókó mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń sọ.
Ọmọ Ẹ̀gbá. Ọmọ Ẹ̀gbá ni ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
No problem. Ẹ má wọlé next time tí bá máa wá sílẹ̀ fún màmá mú fídíò yẹn jáde màmá fi mọ̀. That means pé ṣífù máa mọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ mọ kọ́kọ́ nìyẹn ṣífù máa mọ̀ fà kókó kan. And I've already screenshot it and I've already screen record. Don't worry. Màá lè fi ṣe evidence. Nígbà yẹn lẹ sọ pé kó mọ̀ kọ́ tó ń sọ.
Mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ screenshot ẹ sọ pé any form of please give me time.
No.
Ẹyẹ máa fi ṣe evidence.
Nígbà ìgbàgbọ́ lẹ sọ pé kó mọ̀ kọ́ tó ń sọ. Because of next time.
Mi ò sọ pé kò ní any form person ní fún Islam. Light upon light.
Oya no problem.
Yes.
Let me talk now. Wọ́n ti make claim wọn jẹ́ kí èmi náà sọ̀rọ̀. Light upon light.
Ìgbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ mo make claim kankan. Ẹ̀yin la question máa mọ̀
mo ti sọ̀rọ̀. I want to say something.
Mo ti skin record because of evidence. Tó bá di fún short time tí bá challenge ẹ̀. So màá lè sọ pé ẹ̀ lẹ sọ. O lọ fà náà.
Mo ti gbọ́. Alẹ́ àti gbọ́.
Kò ní kẹ́ máa bẹ̀rù náà. Ẹ lọ bá fáyọ mọ̀kọ́ tó ń tọ́. Ó dẹ̀ mọ́ pé kò sí ẹjọ́ mọ̀ pé sínú bá mọ̀ fún ẹ kò sí ọ̀sẹ̀. Yọ àṣà ti dúdú ẹsẹ̀ mọ́. O ti mú wálẹ̀ bó ṣe wà ẹ already. So àbẹ̀rẹ̀ I have evidence with me already. Don't worry.
Ṣé mi máa mọ̀ anything kẹ̀? Abeg o, it's not here o, it's not here that year o.
Faruqy ló sọ.
It is not here, please. Please, if you want to do that kind of video, please help me edit.
Tell him to cover your face o. Tell him to cover your face o.
Light upon light, let me talk.
Faruqy tó máa dìbẹ́ ẹ̀dá rẹ̀ kò lọ fún ẹ má wọlé. Ẹ má bẹ̀rù ní light upon light. Kò yẹ kí ẹ má bẹ̀rù.
Give me time.
Abeg.
Let me explain.
Faruqy ẹ tó máa kó bá ló wá bó ṣe wà yìí. Ẹ bẹ kó bá lọ. Ẹ tó máa kó bá yín náà nọ́mà. Ẹ bẹ dìbẹ́ndẹ̀ sí ẹni tó ní ìlọ nínú àbíbọ̀ lọ́jọ́ pé tó sínú inú Islam. Ẹ sọ pé kò mọ̀kọ́ tó ń sọ. Ṣé òun tó ń sọ fún àwọn ọmọdé wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mọ̀kọ́ tó ń sọ? Kò sí kọ́tẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ dìbẹ́ndì náà ọpọlọ everybody bí sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ẹ̀yin náà máa watch kẹ́ tó sọ̀rọ̀.
Can you please
Give me time. You give him 1 minute.
Ṣé gbogbo aláwa gbọ̀nù ayé yìí tábà ṣe lọ school àwọn ọlọ́gá máa ń sọ.
This is wasting our time.
So can I talk now, Ejo?
No, not yet. Light upon light.
Oga, it is yet. What is not yet?
Ẹjọ ṣé mo lè bọ́lẹ̀ àbí kí mo ṣe lè sọ díẹ̀.
Please give me. Let me say something. I want to say something.
See, Faruqy, the problem you have is that you always try to defend everything.
No. I am here. Let's chill.
Okay, my phone is
Al Faruqy and Olamileko. I'm going to give you 5
No,
minutes
not
of
interaction.
interaction with
You
you.
not let me talk, please.
Oh, yeah,
Let me
talk. I will
talk.
not disturb
He's
you.
not going to
Seriously, I get the mood.
let me talk first. Give me that minute. Let me talk. He's not going to let me to talk, oh, because I will just silent. Please. He's not going to let me to talk, oh. So no one can say that. Only saying ọ̀rọ̀ tòun tí o bá ti bá súnà àti ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run lọ, àbí tí o bá ti bá hadith àti ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run lọ. Nobody can say that. Only saying Islam. Even our tafsir. That's why we condemn some part of the tafsir. Then go back with tafsir. Whatever we are backing the tafsir. We are backing the kinika. It's your stars that say. We say that we have more rules in Islam. You don't know. We have more rules. We can reject anybody except two person, Allah and His Messenger. That's our rules. We can reject. We can say that. That's why we have khilaf. The Oman yàtọ̀ níbi ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ. Like ele ma sọ ní opinion ti ele ma sọ ní opinion. That's why I said no one has say in Islam. Even imi gan mo lè sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan pé this is my opinion. Nobody ìwọ ló mọ̀ bá follow me tó bá rí tẹ́nì kan bá sọ pé ẹ má ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́ ẹ má torí kò ti jáfa máa fire elective máa lọ́ máa pèsè fún ẹ. Ìwọ náà lọ follow ẹ̀ na his opinion ẹ̀ nìyẹn lọ́jọ́ kò tì. So bí àgọ̀nbágọ̀rin ni Allahu alam. So opinion ti ẹni follow is not in Islam. Kò ní saying kankan ní Islam. I'm still saying it. No one. So any scholars, I'm telling you, even the Maliki Shafi'i, I want to say this. If no one Maliki Shafi'i Hanbali everything, if they have their own mistakes, I want to follow Maliki in Nigeria. To bá rí nǹkan kan ní Maliki, tó yẹ pé kò lọ pẹ̀lú Sharia Ọlọ́run, tó yẹ pé ó tako Quran and that, because they can do mistake, we believe that they can make a mistake. So we leave it and follow what ito personal and follow Hanbali in there. So we know it in usul al-fiqh. We do it in usul al-fiqh in our knowledge. We know it. So you don't then you like the scholars. You know nothing about the scholars. We follow the scholars because they are knowledgeable. But about mistake, we do not follow their mistakes. So that's it.
All right, Olamileko, you have your 2 minutes.
Okay, Mr. Faruqy, mo tún ní question kan again. Ṣé ń gbọ́, Mr. Faruqy, mo tún ní another question. There was a day tí wọ́n ti mo kàn school kọjá lórí TikTok enjoy ẹ̀. So mo rí Sheikh Labib tó sọ̀rọ̀. Ìgbé ẹ ṣá mọ̀ Sheikh Labib náà lágbàjì. So ó ní pé èèyàn tí wọ́n bá ṣe pé wọ́n tó bá pèrè láàfà tó bá ṣẹ ládàá tó bá wọlé ò ṣe àfà. Tó bá ṣe báyìí tó bá ṣe gbá fún ẹ ò ṣe àfà. Èèyàn tó bá ti gbọ́ ẹ̀ ó yẹ kó ti understand. Ẹ jọ ṣe kílẹ̀ lè fi divide kan tó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Mo mọ̀ pé Sheikh Labib tún kéré o. Níbẹ̀ ẹ dúró náà ẹ fún ìjà láti sọ̀rọ̀ tí náà tẹ bá ní àti defend ẹ máa defend ẹ so ìgbà tó sọ́njọ́ ẹ because èmi ń wo pé normal ṣáàbà fi máa sọ̀kọ́ báyìí dáàmú sí pé àfáàyàn náà kiri but mo check àfáàyàn náà rí normal but pé kò fún mi response tí mo ṣe expect pé kò fún mi jọ yẹn ní ó jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ kọ́mọ lórí ẹ̀ láti gbà yẹn because mo message ẹ̀ mo fẹ́ wine yẹn bí mo fẹ́ mọ bóyá tó àbí bó ṣe yẹ tó ìgbà yẹn gbogbo time ìgbà yẹn gan mo ṣe wà nù slang gan I'm still trying to understand what this religion is all about because mo wò pé tí màá máa kírun every day every time òru máa kírun máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ I will not see anything ó yẹ kọ́ lọ́ọ́ máa gbàdúrà ni you understand so kò ṣe pé bí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kò tí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀rí normal ìkọ́ tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹbí tó sí mi rí tí mo ti understand ni mo fi mọ̀ pé kíní ìtẹ́wọ̀n bá ti padà sí wùtì èèyàn ní understand tí bá sọ fún yín pé ìgbà tí mo tó padà sílé tí mo lọ bọ ògùn ilé wa lára mi tó balẹ̀ mo tó mọ̀ ọ̀kan tó ń ṣe alhamdulilayi mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run everything ti set díẹ̀ náà ò bọ̀ àwọn pípù yìí Ọlọ́run ló máa fìyà jẹ wọn tó bá di dọ́gbìdì bọ́ọ̀ ṣe máa sọ yẹn wàhálà wọ́n ti kọ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n ìlẹ́rù gan Faruqy tó wá sọ yìí pé tí mo máa mọ̀ ẹ̀pẹ́kọ̀ tó bá sọ yẹn kò mọ̀ ọkọ tó ń sọ mo tún wá sọ ṣe lè defend ara yín pẹ̀lú fídíò pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọ̀tẹ́ ìsọ because èmi ó máa wà nínú screen record lọ́dọ̀ tèmi bíbáyìí because ìjọ tó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ màá lè wá yín jáde pé ẹ̀yin lẹ́sọ̀ ẹ máa defend ara yín because kò sí ọkọ tó fẹ́ fèmí ṣe ọmọ ìyá mi Ọ̀fà ni mo lè lọ bẹ̀ kí n ṣeré lọ bó ṣe wù mí torí àtúnjọba aládé ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ sóko ọkàn mi balẹ̀ kò sí ọkàn ṣe understand ẹ̀yin gbọ́gbọ́ lẹ̀ free but you have already said it already Ọlọ́run ṣe ẹ ti mú point jáde so táwọn àpáyín bá ti sọ̀kọ́ tó bá make sense tó bá dùn mọ́yìn nínú lẹ́yìn òkè ń defend but tó bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ ó dàbí ṣífù màmí tó sọnù àdìsí ni tó wà l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ tó ní pé ẹ̀sìn sọ pé kẹ́ pa ẹnìkan tó bá ti lọ múra ṣífù màmú mi but tó wáyé pọ̀ mọ́ Yorùbá tó ronú ó yẹ kó mọ̀ pé ṣífù màmú yẹn tí aláàdì pass message tí ẹni tí ṣífù màmú tí ọba yẹn kọ́kọ́ mú jáde fún tó jù lọ gan Yorùbá yẹn tó bá jẹ́ Yorùbá yẹ kó ronú dáadáa pé ó ń tí aláàdì pass message ẹnìyẹn yìí but àwọn òun dáká àwọn wá gbọ́ ẹ̀ torí pé ó ti sọ torí pé ẹ̀ tó yẹ káwọn èèyàn ti ọ̀la sáà kan tí mò ń sọ ṣé mo mọ̀ ẹ́ wọ́n tí a láti pass message sí ẹni tí
Olamileko, that video that you are talking about that Sheikh Labib said if tó bá jáfa tó bá ṣe kíní kan tó bá ń rẹ̀ olórí burúkú yẹn ò kì í ṣàfà that video is not from a Muslim. We are going to tell you we condemn such video. We do not support such things in Islam. That is not Islam. And that does not teach us Islam.
Let me give him a response, please. the Sahaba, the companions of the Prophet. Ẹ dúró Ọlámilékan.
Àfáà ńlá ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ẹ máa wá gbé síbẹ̀ ń sìn Ọlámilékan. Give me some time. Ọmọ silent, give me time, please.
Tó bá fún one time, Mahmoud. Bọ́ọ̀ tó bá ti fún.
All right. Faruqy, you have 2 minutes.
So ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ pa pé Labibu sọ pé tẹ́nìkan bá ṣẹ́nìkan tó bá wọlé kò kí ń ṣe mùsùlùmí àbí kò kí ń ṣe àfà ṣé ó fẹ́ jẹ́ àfà tó àwọn companions ànábì ni ṣé ó fẹ́ jẹ́ companions ju ànábì gangan lọ fúnra rẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe ń lọ sógun tí ìdààmú àwọn tí wọ́n kú tí wọ́n gún wọn tó ń kú àbí àwọn òní àwọn náà kàlì yẹn lọ́wọ́ ni ìtí ó ti mọ̀ pé fàbú ńlá ló ń fún yẹn àwọn tó bá ti rí pé sàkámà ń jẹ routine náà ni we don't classify them as scholars we don't wa ò pé wọ́n ní scholar wa náà ká ló ń pè wọ́n ní scholar wa ẹ̀yin rú wọn àti tó bá ń tẹ̀lé wọn náà ni àwọn tó dún wọn ti fọ́ we have them in some sects wọn ní àwọn pastor mi ò tako Christian we have them in many sects èmi ò ní kọ́dọ̀ tèmi ń sọ jẹ́ bí I'm fearing someone àbí kíníkan I'm not fearing anybody ẹni tó bá lọ pé nǹkan tí mo sọ ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò jáde I'm saying facts ó ti yín bẹ́ẹ̀ I'm saying àwọn òtẹ̀lẹ̀ àwọn afáàtọ̀ sọ pé kíníkan pé so you understand what I'm saying lè jẹ́ àfàjù sàhábà lọ́wọ́dọ́ lè jẹ́ àfàjù ànábì lọ ṣé ọ̀fọ̀ ọ̀gbà wọn ni àbánábì ṣàwọn mírèkù yẹ tọ́fà àwọn sàhábà tó máa fi ń jagun nǹkan kan ní kàn wọn ara wọn ní gé o ní kan tó bá ti gún wọn.
All right, Olamilekan.
Yes,
you have 2 minutes.
Okay, sir. Faruqy, ẹ jẹ́ má bínú. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ pé àwọn àfáà tó bá ti sọ̀kọ́ báyẹn pé ká má follow wọn.
Foundation Islam wa.
Ẹ lè fún mi ní àfáà.
Please, let me tell you, I've said it, and I'm still saying it. Wait, my interject me.
Wait. I thought, Faruqy, hold on. I thought you said you should go on. That's why I told him to talk. Faruqy, I've reset your time to 1 minute. You have 1 minute more. Go ahead.
Paul wọlé tẹ́lẹ̀ ni, so that's why. I'm still saying
you have
it.
1 minute.
Tẹ́nìkan bá sọ̀rọ̀ náà àwọn scholars wa mi ò fẹ́ mọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ ṣe jẹ́ kó jọmọ ọmọ ànábì ṣe kó jọmọ Mẹ́kà kó jẹ́ Imam Saudi Arabia ṣé ìgbọ́n ọkọ̀ tí mo rọ tí ò bá ti bá Quran àti hadith lọ tí ò bá Quran àti hadith lọ á dá ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ padà sí lẹ́nu mi gbẹ́ni ẹ dákẹ́. See, I'm saying it. We don't follow scholars. We don't follow human. Yeah, we don't do that in Islam. That's why we say we apply our government question. They say táfà mi bá sọ̀rọ̀ kan tí ò ṣe ń sìn máa mo lè sọ pé mo ti gbọ́. Mi ò tẹ̀lé wọn lórí ẹ̀. Ṣé ti gbọ́ opinion tí wọ́n nìyẹn. That's Islam for you. If you don't know Islam, know Islam today. That's what we practice in Islam. I be light upon like die lie.
Yeah, you are saying the truth. All right, Olamilekan, you've got 2 minutes to reply.
Mo like point ẹ sọ Faruqy gẹ́gẹ́ bí point ẹ sọ ẹ má bínú gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ fún mi.
Afọládé jọ à ń gbádùn ẹ.
So Faruqy mo like point ẹ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí point ẹ sọ that means pé tó bá ti wá jẹ́ pé ẹ lè máa follow kan tí àwọn aṣáájú yín bá ti sọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn seniority yẹn tẹ́ bá yẹ pé a lè follow wọn that means pé Islam kò ní rules and regulations yẹn we can do anything that I want to do then. Anybody lè ṣe Islam kó lọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣe kan mi wà against ẹ nìyẹn àbí náà because tó bá fi lè mú aṣáájú because pé èèyàn kan tó lè follow èèyàn àfáà kan ṣáà ló máa kọ́ mi ní kéwú ló máa kọ́ mi nípa Islam kó tó di pé màá tó máa practice ẹ̀ kò possible tó kún pé máa practice ẹ̀ náà àbẹ́ ọ̀dà sáà èèyàn tó dẹ̀ kọ́ mi ní Islam yẹn ṣé tó bá dijọ́ kan tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ burúkú kan ṣé mo ní láti wà against àfáà mi ni kò possible kí wà against ẹ̀ tí bá yẹ máa defend ẹ̀ màá mọ̀ pé kan tó sọ yẹn ò dáa normal but mo ò ní láti wà against ẹ̀ máa follow ẹ̀ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni tó bá yẹ pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí Islam ibo ṣe rí gangan ó ti yé yín ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa try láti defend yẹn mọ́ because mo ìkọ́ tẹ̀ ń sọ yẹn kò bá kọ́ tẹ̀mí sọ wí kò bá lọ rárá so tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kí n follow Islam that means pé ẹ máa mú èèyàn kan tó yẹ pé mo gbọdọ̀ máa follow gangan because Islam yìí náà àwọn èèyàn follow Muhammad ni so tó bá yẹ pé àwọn kan mi bá wà tó bá ṣe tí ò bá da àwọn èèyàn ní follow ẹ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ asákọ̀ tí mo sọ so ẹ lè sọ pé kí wá kùfì wá máa ṣe Islam tí mo rí ànábì rí ṣé máa sọ ó yá mo wá sọ pé mo ṣe Islam torí pé mo rí ànábì báwo lè ṣe máa fi lára yín tó bá yẹ pé ọmọ Islam kan ló bá sọ orúkọ báyẹn ẹ sọ fún mi so mo gbọ́dọ̀ rí aṣáájú kan tó yẹ pé ó máa ní ìpasẹ̀ gidi ó dàbí bàbá ni máa tọpasẹ̀ tó bá da ni máa ní láti follow ẹ̀ so bó ṣe wà ní ẹ̀ lè kú sọ pé àfa kan tó ti jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn ti mọ̀ ti pẹ́ ṣífù máa mọ̀ fà tó ti pẹ́ táwọn èèyàn ti mọ̀ tó ti take as aṣáájú tẹ́ a lot of people kíwun lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ tó wá sọ pé kan tó ń sọ pé kò make sense ṣé ẹ̀ ń ṣá láti defend àárín ni o ẹ̀ ń ṣá láti defend a lot of people kọ́ tẹ̀ ń sọ yẹn kò lọ rárá ẹ jọ ọlá pé mo kàwé mo understand English dáadáa English yẹ ká jù máa sọ yóò yẹ kó yé wa dáadáa bọ̀ Yorùbá yẹn kò ní mo ò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́ Yorùbá dáadáa ó ti yé mo ò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́ Yorùbá dáadáa kọ́ tó fa nìyẹn ó ti yé ó ti yé.
Like Apollo, just give me 1 minute to finish this. I'll be 2 minutes.
Omo.
This lastly, please.
I'm going to be giving the two of them 1 minute finally. So Faruqy, 1 minute of your time.
So you said that I'm follow Anabi Muhammad. Go she won't call that follow Anabi Muhammad. I want to special fan of it. Man, holy sort of like you want the color she phone. So I say I'm talking. So we have it in Islam. So it turn up make a follow like Anabi la man follow.
Ṣe àwọn nǹkan yẹn before kí Muhammad tó dé. So lọ́dọ̀ wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá yín báyìí náà àwọn nǹkan kan bẹ tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe kó tó di pé wọ́n mẹ́sìn wá. Then àwọn àfọ̀pá ti Kaaba tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe before kánàbí tó dé wọn parun. But wọ́n fẹ́ kí wọ́n pa ti èyí tán bàbá wa ti ń ṣe run. Ǹjẹ́ só lè lọ bẹ́ẹ̀?
Question bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò ń ṣe Kaaba nìkan, kò ń ṣe pé kò ń ṣe tawaf nìkan ló ń ṣe Kaaba kánàbí tó dé. So before the Prophet Muhammad sallam. So láyé Ibrahim wọ́n ti kọ́ Kaaba, wọ́n ti ṣe everything. So ìgbà ẹ̀sìn ẹ̀sìn Ibrahim kẹ́ ló ń sìn nígbà tó yá lọ mú ṣàwọ̀bẹ̀. Nígbà tó mú ṣàwọ̀bẹ̀ yẹ Ànábì Muhammad sallam láyé Ànábì Muhammad Ànábì ó kọ́ ti gbogbo ṣàyẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sìn.
Faruqy, please hold on. I have just 2 Muslims in the box. So that's why I'm keeping them there. I have just 2 Muslims in the box. So Olorun Bebe, your time starts now with what are we calling it? Faruqy. You guys have submission for 3 minutes. Olorun Bebe, you can choose to use it together. You have your submission together. Go ahead.
Yeah. So Sheikh Faruq ọ̀rọ̀ tí ẹ wá ń sọ lọ yẹn lè continue rẹ̀ so kò sí problem kí n lè understand it dáadáa.
Okay.
Sheikh kan
Ìgbà tí Ọlọ́run kọ́ Kaaba. But ó wà ní Quran. So ó ní wa idh yarfa'u Ibrahim al-qawa'ida min al-bayt wa Ismail. Ẹni tó bèrè ó wà ní sura ó náà gbé Baqarah ní àbí pé wọ́n ti Suratul Baqarah náà. So evidence ti máa ń gbé ẹni dẹ̀ mo lè gbé jáde. So ó kọ́ lè yẹ fún ìjọsìn. So wọ́n dẹ̀ ìjọsìn bẹ̀. Before kó tó di pé kìíní ìgbà yẹn gan kò tí sí nǹkan tó lárúbáwá ti wà but ìlú yẹn wọ́n ti ní ẹ̀mí Mẹ́kà náà nígbà tó fi kọ́ yẹn. So wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe Kaaba wọ́n ṣe tàwa fún bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe Ibrahim ló gbé gbogbo kìíní yẹn lẹ̀. So what I'm trying to say is that nígbà tí àwọn ọjọ́ ń gorí ọjọ́ làwọn kan ṣe wá gbé òrìṣà wọbẹ̀ lọ́ọ́ ṣe gbé òrìṣà wọbẹ̀ òrìṣà yẹn Ànábì wa Muhammad sallam wá abolish pé ẹ̀sìn tí Ibrahim ń sìn tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe ṣe ẹ̀sìn àwọn Ibrahim but wọ́n ti mix ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú kíni òrìṣà ṣé ń gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ wọ́n ti mix ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn òrìṣà tó ń sìn àwọn ẹbọ tó ń gbé tó wà nù bẹ̀.
Sorry, I saw Baba Bear just now. Baba Bear, I was supposed to message you to collect my salary from you yesterday, but I did not see the account to message because people cannot be accusing me of collecting salaries from you, Baba Bear, and you will not be paying salary to me. You have to pay my salary, sir. So today is February, sir. So you have to pay my salary today, sir. I've been looking for your account. I did not see how to message you, sir. So thank you, sir. So I've been looking for the account. So I don't know. Maybe Daddy just send me message because me I'll collect that salary from you. I cannot just be shopping insults when the money is not coming. The money has to come in with the insult. Thank you, sir. All right. I feel like to go ahead.
So I will share. Àwọn òṣàyẹ lànàbí wa yọ kúrò kò pa ẹ̀sìn Ibrahim yẹn rẹ. So àwa as a Muslim náà àwa náà abolish àwọn tradition àti culture wa. The only thing táwa náà abolish ni pé kí ni òrìṣà àti ìṣẹbọ. So gbogbo kan tó bá ti kún lẹ́yìn gbogbo yẹn tó bá ti jẹ́ culture wa and ẹ má bínú we respect our ancestors we respect them but àbọ̀ wọn oyin bẹ́ẹ̀ àṣòrìṣà wọn àmúdò òrìṣà wọn àsọpá àǹsìn wọn àṣẹlẹ̀tẹ̀ but we respect them àlẹ́ àsọpá àǹsọ story wọn. Kò sábúrú ń bẹ̀ nǹkan kìnnì kan Ọbàtálá ṣe tábà gbọ́ pé wọ́n rí a lè ka story wọn a lè ṣe everything kò sábúrú ń bẹ̀ Islam kò lòdì sí but what Islam lòdì sí níbi ká gbọ́ wọn so that's what abolish ní Mẹ́kà tánàbí náà abolish bá tánàbí dé Mẹ́kà kò ṣe pé tó bá yẹ pé ọ̀ṣà ni pé culture wọn gbogbo culture wọn lọ́bí wa agree with ni ó yẹ káwọn mùsùlùmí náà máa sin ọ̀ṣà lẹ́nu ó yẹ káwọn bí náà gba gbogbo ọ̀ṣà yẹn but nǹkan tó wá ṣe náà ni pé kó wá abolish gbogbo ọ̀ṣà yẹn náà kọ́tàlẹ́bí wa ṣe gangan ni but Ibrahimic Ànábì ò claim pé òun ló ń mú ẹ̀sìn Ibrahimic yẹn wá Ànábì ṣe ẹ̀sìn Ibrahim ó dẹ̀ abolish gbogbo òṣà tó wà nínú Kaaba ó abolish everything that's it so kọ́tà náà ò fi sin òṣà yẹn.
ṣe àdúrà ó gbà then tí wọ́n bá lọ sí Mẹ́kà wọ́n máa ń ra ẹran torí pọ́sì tèmi náà lọ wọ́n dẹ̀ rà wọ́n dẹ̀ pẹ̀ràn kí ni ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń ta sílẹ̀ bí ẹran yẹn gangan tí wọ́n ń pa Mẹ́kà ẹran tán máa ń rà tán pa yẹn kí ni ìtumọ̀ rẹ̀ so then ẹ̀jẹ̀ ẹran yẹn sẹ́yìn pé wọ́n tó jẹ́ kí wọ́n jẹ́ ń bẹ̀ àwọn abẹ ni wọ́n jẹ́ so mo fẹ́ mọ ìtumọ̀.
Can I answer? So Ọlọ́run sọ nínú Quran Ọlọ́run sọ láàyè kú nínú Quran ni pé kò sí nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ fi ẹran àbí kí náà pé wọ́n ní wàlá luhuma wàlá dima wàlá kìnyànàlò láyànàlò Allah ọlọ́run ní kankan tó fẹ́ ṣe pẹ̀lú ẹ̀jẹ̀ àbí ẹran ara ẹ̀ àbí anything nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ wò ni pé ẹni tí ọkàn ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tó ní ìpáyọ̀ ọlọ́run ló wà ní Kùránì mo lè fi verse ẹ̀rìn tẹ́ bá béèrè fún and then lẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni pé kílẹ̀ ta fi ń pa so we are practicing ẹ̀sìn tí Abraham yẹn ṣe nígbà tó lọ sọ pé kó lọ fi ọmọ ẹ̀ kó lọ fi ṣe kíni kó lọ fi rúbọ so gbàdọ̀ fẹ́ fọmọ ẹ̀ rúbọ yẹn ọlọ́run pààrọ̀ ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú kíni pẹ̀lú ẹran so we are still practicing it till date so ẹran yẹn la máa ń pa ṣùgbọ́n ẹran yẹn kí là ń pa fún ṣá ń pa fún ọlọ́run ni bí à ń pa fún ọlọ́run pé ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ni kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ fẹ́ jẹ ṣe kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ fẹ́ ẹran ara ẹ̀ ṣe òun fẹ́ wò pé ta ló ní gbàgbọ́ ta ló ní ìbẹ̀rù ọlọ́run lọ́kàn ìbẹ̀rù ọlọ́run tó fi pa ẹran yẹn and then nínú àwọn tradition tá a bá fi ń pa ẹran ni pé nǹkan tó fẹ́ nínú Islam nínú Sharia Islam ni pé kẹran yẹn máa gbé pẹ̀lú wa so a máa ti love ẹran yẹn ẹ mọ̀ pé Ismail ti wà lọ́dọ̀ Ibrahim Ismail ti wà lọ́dọ̀ Ibrahim ó ti pẹ́ so lọ́nà tó kọ́ pa ìfẹ́ yẹn pé bọ́ọ̀lù tó fẹ́ fi nǹkan tó fẹ́ filẹ̀ fún ọlọ́run nǹkan tá à ń pè ní nusuk yẹn nǹkan tó
ti lọ bóyá kọ wọn ẹjọ ẹ bá mi fún táìmù díẹ̀ jọ.
All right, no problem. Let me buttress his point. According to the Quran, he is speaking exactly what is inside the Quran. Allah says, "It is not the blood of the animal that reaches me; it is the piety at your heart that reaches me." I want to see, can you let go of that thing that you are falling in love with? Can you let go of it and sacrifice it? That's just it. So that's what the Quran says about it.
Okay, mo understand yẹn sir. Then ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ mo really appreciate. Ṣé mo tó yẹ kí n béèrè mú point ẹ̀yẹn ẹlẹ́ran yẹn dé wá ni pé tí àwọn èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan nítorí most mi ń ra àwọn àfáà bẹ́ẹ̀ kò ní ìtumọ̀ mi kò sí nǹkan kan sí mi but tí èèyàn bá fẹ́ gbàgbọ́yé nǹkan kan mi máa ń fẹ́ kí n gbọ́ àgbọ́yé ibẹ̀ so ìdásídé tí wọ́n ń bọ̀gùn bì kan wọ́n á bẹ ajá yẹn wọ́n á ro ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹ̀ wọ́n fi ṣàdúrà fẹ́ nìkan wọ́n ṣe everything so kí mo fẹ́ mú ọ jáde pé ẹni àwọn èèyàn kan ń sọ àwọn oríṣiríṣi nǹkan mi ò fẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ mi kó pọ̀ torí mi náà láì kọ́rọ̀ máa pọ̀ so kí ìyàtọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ yẹn kì í kú ṣe pé bóyá ń tán bẹ́ sí yẹn náà fẹ́ mú wọn ilẹ̀ tó wọ̀ náà ló yẹn ẹ̀jẹ̀ tán pa lọ́hùn náà ń wọ̀ wáyé tó fi wá jẹ́ pé tọ̀dọ̀ tí wá ń bì ẹ mọ̀ torí ẹlòmíì ò mọ̀ yàtọ̀ láàrin pé èèyàn ń bọ nǹkan èèyàn ń sin nǹkan ìyàtọ̀ èmi dẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ tèmi mọ̀ pé ìyàtọ̀ wà nù pé kéèyàn máa sin nǹkan àti kéèyàn máa bọ nǹkan àti kéèyàn máa rán nǹkan ṣẹ́ so èmi mọ̀ pé ìyàtọ̀ ń bẹ ń bẹ lọ́dọ̀ tèmi lọ́dọ̀ èlò.
ṣé mo lè dáhùn ní sà.
Go ahead, Faruqy.
kí ni wọ́n ń pa nǹkan yẹn fún ṣebí oògùn ni àbí that's the problem ó ti tán nǹkan tá a ní problem fún nìkan náà.
okay problem tó wà ń bẹ.
No, you did not explain how it is a problem. You can't just say that's the problem and just stop. You have to explain to him how it is the problem.
Okay.
Go ahead.
We have two reasons. Àkọ́kọ́ ni pé bọ́lá ń ṣe pa wá láṣẹ ká ṣe nǹkan àṣebẹ̀ àkọ́kọ́ ni pé wrong ẹlẹ́nkejì pé bàtà tó bá fẹ́ pa nǹkan yẹn.
Ọlọ́run kò ló pa yín láṣẹ Allah pa yín láṣẹ ẹ bẹ jẹ́ ká change ibẹ̀ yẹn jọ.
topic Allah ọ̀tọ̀ nìyẹn topic Allah ẹjọ́ má gbé wá sí ibà yìí nǹkan tí mo believe ni mo ń sọ.
Allah náà lọ́lọ́run.
Ọlọ́run bó ṣe pa wá láṣẹ àṣebẹ̀ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni pé àtúwá nǹkan tá à ń pa kíní yẹn fún kò ṣe pé Ọlọ́run là ń pa fún à ń pa fún báwo fẹ́ sọ à ń pa fún Ògún ni so àwa dẹ̀ nínú Islam àgbọ̀dọ̀ ẹ máa ń pe kíní kan ní wàsílà bí i intercessor àbí kí la máa ṣe bí intercede náà ni.
intermediary
nígbà ẹnìkan wà láàrin tó wá jọ ń ṣe kíní tó bá ti wúlò máa mú dọ́lọ̀ lọ no we don't have that even the prophet we don't have that in Islam so that's it.
intermediary tẹ sọ yẹ òun lànà bí náà jẹ fún mùsùlùmí sọlọ ṣe mọ.
But the problem is that pa ẹran fún anodi do you understand.
Okay ó ní tí èèyàn bá wò pé okay o mo fẹ́ béèrè nǹkan kan lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run bọ̀ mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ bọ̀ Ògún yìí kó bá mi lọ sọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run ó ti ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni.
No, it's what Islam tells us is that to you it is right, but to Islam it is no. I created Ogun, I created you, so do not send Ogun to me. Come to me yourself. That's it.
Light upon light. You cannot be using an Islamic lens to justify or to explain Yoruba metaphysics is wrong.
I'm talking about Islam.
That's what you're doing now, and that's very problematic because now you are setting Islamic basis as the basis to explain other belief system. I understand it's very problematic, and that means you're saying that Islam is superior. That you got more feel, you got more passive. Yoruba people has their own way of doing things.
No. What I said is I am talking about Islam. I explained what Islam said, so I did not say what you think or what you said is wrong or no. I am telling you what Islam says. Islam says I created all those things. So when you're coming, you come to me alone. That's it. That's what I said. I am not trying to bastardize anything.
Okay, all right.
I'm just telling you what Islam says.
Okay.
Light upon light. Just give me a few seconds. Yes. I saw someone saying that kí la salatu ta ṣe fanabi. Asalatu yẹ gan yẹ tẹ́ bá mọ̀ gan ma ti mọ̀ pé yẹ gan kò ṣe pé intermediary ni. Ṣé rí asalatu yẹ a tún fi ń tọrọ blessing fanabi kí wọ́n máa tọrọ ìkẹ́ fún yàn. Tẹ́ bá wo Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Wọ́n lọ́run bá wa kẹ́ ànábì. Bá wa kẹ́, bá wa gẹ̀. Wọ́n lọ́run bá wa ṣàánú ẹ̀. We are praying for him. As soon as we are praying for our forefathers now, it is not bad. So that's it. I've said it.
Ẹjọ fún mi 2 minutes pẹ̀lú Faruqy. Mo fẹ́ gbé nǹkan lọ́wọ́ wọn. Very, very important.
All right, well, hold on, Mr. Olongbebe, without all your questions.
Wọ́n lè continue, so kò sí wàhálà.
All right then, Mr. Tinkers.
You made a claim.
You can have an interaction. You can have an interaction for 5 minutes with Faruqy. Thank you.
You made a claim that Abraham built the Kaaba. If I may ask, is that an historical fact or faith based?
I don't know. Maybe it has an historical fact, but it's inside the Quran. Not everything we believe have an historical fact. I'm telling you. Are you a Christian?
So it is faith based, not.
Before I ask you a question, stop. I want to ask you a question now. I said I did not know.
You did not know.
Is it not? Somebody said I did not know. Do you want to kill me? He said I did not know. Is it not okay? Look at people.
Light upon light. Don't let anybody interject us. Please, Baba, stop.
Okay.
Thinkers, let me ask you a question. You've asked me, I said I don't know. Maybe that's an historical fact or not. Can I answer?
I don't know.
Can I ask you a question?
I don't know.
You don't know what you believe. Okay. You don't know what you believe in.
No, I know what I believe in. It's inside the Quran. And what is the Quran? You now give me that it's not a brand that built it, it's another person that built it.
So
just 1 minute. No, Baba only 16.
Only I don't have any facts about it.
No, we are not talking about no, facts in this it's any historical facts. Light upon light. Abi, what's asking me? Did he ask me about the Quran? He said historical fact.
Yes, now. He said historical fact. And he said, I don't know.
Yes, did he say Quran? Did he say Quran? Yes, now.
All right, okay. All right.
I will ask you, are you a Christian? Thinkers, are you a Christian?
Anyway,
hang on. We are not going away from that. I want to ask you a question. It's an interaction. Let me ask you, are you a Christian?
Let me, if I finish my conversation with you, then you can ask me a question.
No, you're having a conversation, not only you.
No.
We are you a Christian? No, you're still on that. I've not given you answer yet. I said I don't know about historical fact or something. But I'm asking, are you a Christian?
We are talking about your claim.
Why can't you answer?
We are talking about your claim.
Are you a Christian?
I'm not a Christian. I'm not anything.
You're not anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me an historical fact that is another person that built the Kaaba, not the prophet.
Pardon?
So I said, according to the Quran, I believe in the Quran. I said the Quran. I give you from the Quran. Oh yeah, give me from an historical fact that another person built it, except from Ibrahim.
Okay. Now,
Thinkers, say I don't know.
No.
Say I don't know.
Firstly, you are the one making a claim. I'm not the one making a claim. I'm not the one making a claim. You are the one that made the claim. If I'm the one that made the claim, Then
thinkers, I made the claim because I believe in the Quran. Quran told me that it is Ibrahim. No, not I believe.
Ibrahim.
Quran says that it is.
How do you know it's Ibrahim?
According to Quran, it's inside the Quran. Can I give you the verse?
How do you know? I know. Don't give me the verse. I believe what you say. What you said, I believe it. Yeah, because some believe it. But when Ibrahim local,
we cannot nullify something if we not see the real something that said that it is not. We cannot say that it's not because I not be make claim. Jensen, it's a claim. Allah says that it's Ibrahim, and you want to say that you want to nullify that it's not Ibrahim. You have to have something to nullify that it's not Ibrahim. You will now bring that fact.
Let me help you out.
Historical.
Let me help you out.
Give me.
Let me help you out.
Give me an historical fact. Give me an historical fact. It's not Ibrahim. I said it is Ibrahim according to the Quran. You now give me an historical fact that is not Ibrahim.
What year do you think Abraham lived?
I don't know.
You don't know. So you just following these things without knowing.
What year? Don't search. What
so
year?
you are saying to me that you following these things without knowing.
I am here. Please hold on. I am here. You really rubbed off on Faruqy. Like Faruqy is answering questions articulately now. He's telling you, I don't know. Exactly, that's it.
Okay, so
That's good.
so what you're doing right now, you are following things that you don't know, right? So you know.
Tell me. No, thinkers, you that know.
So you're following things that you don't know.
Hey, when did he leave? Don't tell me. I said I don't know. So
we are saying the same thing. You are saying you are following things that you don't know.
I know according to Quran.
So you know then?
I know that he lived because of the Quran. Allah told me
so
that.
So how do you know that he lived?
Because my Lord told me that.
Your Lord?
Yes.
Your Lord told you where?
In the Quran.
In the Quran.
Yes.
Okay. How do you know that? How do you know that it's God that told you?
No, it's the network of Afolaide, I guess, that dropped him.
I know that it's God through my.
You know. Okay.
Wait,
let me ask you a question. Afola,
do we know?
Let me ask you one question. Hang on. You said you know. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Hang on.
Tinker.
Are you? How do you know you are a man? How do you know you are a man?
Thinkers, no. Light upon light. I want to say something, please. I'm not using foul language, but I want to say something. Sherry, friend, to bani lakai, to ba tori eba pe. To ba so pe nǹkan kan ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. You have to have something to use that this thing òun ló fà tí nǹkan yẹn ò fi rí bẹ́ẹ̀. But bringing a claim that kíní yóò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. I be saying that kò lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀ because àwa kan gbọ́ rí bẹ́ẹ̀. You are not want to say that kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o, kò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ o, àkọ́kọ́ bọ́ yọ kọ́kà. You now bring someone that ẹnìkan ló kọ o. So we now debate on that.
Okay.
But if you now say that Ibrahim Nkolo, because that's what I said, historical fact, I don't know. You are
making a submission that he didn't make. I never said that Ibrahim did not build it. I never said he built it. I'm not saying that.
Okay. Now that's cool. Thinkers accept that our proof of Ibrahim building it is valid then?
No. I didn't say yes or no. I'm saying that how do you know? You make a claim. For instance, if I said I'm a child of so, then the reason why there must be a reason why I said that. So if you say Ibrahim, if you say Ibrahim built it, then
okay, I'll give you proof that it is Ibrahim. I'll give you proof it is Ibrahim. I have the proof now. I have the proof. Someone has given me the proof.
Somebody has given him the proof. Somebody has given him the proof.
Okay. So what is the proof?
Faruqy, give us the proof, my brother.
According to Arab, their forefather, their forefather, is Ibrahim and Ismail.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So beautiful. Thank you very much. Good answer. Thank you very much. Can you please tell me the earliest source that made the claim that Kaaba was built by Ibrahim?
Oral tradition. Only my work. So let's make him move kojade. So
Al Faruqy, the Yoruba tribe Faruqy, the Yoruba tribe uses oral tradition.
Am I interject now?
No, you guys are not on time. Oh. You are not on time. You are not on time, so I can interject. The Yoruba tribe uses oral tradition to pass knowledge from parents down to the offspring because we are smart and we are knowledgeable. So there is something called oral passing of information. That's beautiful. Thank you, Faruqy. That was nice.
Okay,
that was
so
nice.
okay,
Thank you.
So oral tradition, but yet, are you saying there's not any Arabic writing between when Abraham lived and when Quran was written?
I may not write it.
They may not write it
because they know it.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, fair enough. Okay, do we have any earlier source to mention?
The earlier source is the Quran because the Quran makes the claim.
Let me answer. Other than the Quran, the Bible.
Why will you say other than the Quran? Why will you say other than the Quran? Is Quran not a source?
So you say
before you tackle me on this, because you have nothing to say. Before you tackle me on this, you will bring a source. You bring a source. Please, you will bring another source. Maybe earlier source. Maybe 40. Also, I don't know what source you are looking for. You bring a source before you can tackle me on this. Say you bring a source.
You are saying that
it is not Ibrahim that built it. But battle for me.
You say the earliest is the Quran, right?
For Muslims, the Muslims that are on this live,
my last question.
Wait, please hold on, thinkers. For the Muslims that are on this live, I want you all to appreciate Faruqy so much. He has been here for over 3 hours, and he has been exceptionally trying his best to align with whatever he has been asked. May God keep blessing him. It's not easy. That's how I feel whenever I'm the only one here. I want you guys to know it's not easy to defend what is foreign, what is not our own, but we try so hard to do it. So please, I want you guys to give him a round of applause and to always support him with prayers. That was beautiful from him. So Afolaide, Faruqy is going to be taking a rest now. You are going to be interactive with Thinkers, Baba Bear, and Fish Hero. Is that cool, Afolaide? Afolaide, unmute your mic so I will know you can hear me.
Hi, good afternoon. This morning.
All right, now Faruqy, I would like you to relax.
Wait.
To relax and
he's going to relax. What is there? Me, I'm not really deep in reciting Quran that much.
Okay. I'm sure the questions will not be coming from Quran.
Okay.
I'm very sure of that. So Thinkers, you can continue the conversation with Afolaide.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Afolaide.
Yes, sir.
Are you a man or a woman?
I'm a man.
You know you are a
man. Is my name.
You know that you are a man.
Yes, of course.
So you don't believe that you are a man?
I don't believe that I'm a man.
Why?
I believe I'm a man, and I'm
Why
a
do you
man.
believe? So you believe you are a man?
But there is identification for me to be a man.
So you know that you are a man?
Are you a man or a woman as well too?
I know I'm a man because I've got dicks and I've got children. So I know I'm a man.
Thinkers,
so I don't need to.
Thinkers said he has got dicks. Please, I don't know.
I don't want to say such thing. That's right. I don't want to say such thing on.
Okay, so
on, this kind of
so what I'm trying to say is that what you know, you don't need a belief.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
So what you know, you don't need a belief. What you don't know is what you believe.
What you don't know is what you believe. You are talking about faith. With belief, you believe something can happen, even something you don't even know.
Yeah, but you don't know.
If you put your belief there, it's going to happen. It's going
but
to
you don't know, do you?
Yeah, you don't know, yeah.
Okay, now. Who built the Kaaba?
Who built the Kaaba? As it is said in the Quran, it is Prophet Ibrahim that built the Kaaba.
Okay. What year did Ibrahim live?
I don't know. I don't know the year.
Okay, fair enough. Okay. Is there any archaeological evidence that support that?
Okay. The way you are going up to now is that Okay, I'm sorry, bro. Let me put it this way. This is going to be a disrespectful way. Well, this thing has not been when I don't know when they built it and they've not given birth to me. I don't even know even my father and my mother, they've not given birth to me then. Well, if I want to ask let me refer to myself. How fact do I know is my parent that gave birth to me? Was I there when they were making affair with each other? They only told me they gave birth to me, right? But I don't know the facts. If they made affair with each other for them to carry my pregnancy and give birth to me, is what they told me, right? And I can find out inside my identical, right? But I can't answer that question to that way you are asking me. I don't know, my bro. Only what my parents told me. I don't know when they're having sex with each other. That I'll be bye. They cannot even remember the day they did it. Facts.
Okay, so fair enough. With the sample, sometimes you don't know. Maybe your parents, it's your parent 100%. But at least we know that when a man and a woman come together, the possibility of them, reproducing, it is there. So there is a lot of evidence around us. We don't need belief or faith, because the evidence is there that male and female reproduce. So this is my parent. There is enough evidence for us to accept it. Now, when the Quran made a claim that Kaaba was built by Abraham, then we have to look this claim. When was it made? The earliest source, Stani, did they make such claim? When Mr. Faruqy said oral tradition, yes, oral tradition, but those regions were totally illiterate. There are because we have got the Assyrians, we've got the Roman in that area, we've got the Jews were in that area, we've got the Christians in that area. In fact, there's been Christian in Syria since the 2nd century. So what evidence to my point that yes, 2,000 years ago, at least there are activities in this environment. For instance, Mecca. Mecca, it's a city, a well-developed city. In fact, since the last 50 years, there's a lot of construction, there's a lot of things. At least there should be something that will give us, okay, this region, this area, there is habitation in the past 3,000 years. So, can you provide any of that archaeological evidence or the archaeological evidence that point to that direction? Any inscription before the writing of the Quran? Do we have any source from maybe the Jews saying that Abraham lived in that area? Do we have any Assyrian record? Anything at all? Just before 6th century, sir. Thank you.
I don't go deep. I don't go deep in religion that much to up to this extent of asking a question, bro. So I think
all right, we have Ibrahim Abdullah in the building.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Olongbebe. I'm going to be dropping you since you have made your submission. There are a lot of other people that are requesting to come up. Thank you very much for gracing Light Upon Light, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, sir.
Because I have to do something now.